Hello everyone. Let us discuss about body language today. We have already learned non-verbal communication, and body language is a part of body language is a part of non-verbal communication. So what is body language? It's a type of non-verbal communication in which physical behaviors as opposed to words are used to express or convey the information. According to experts, these nonverbal signals make up a huge part of a daily communication. From our facial expressions to our body movements, the things we don't say can still convey volumes of information. You know, body language exists in both animals and humans. If you have pets, you can understand this better by observing the body language of the cats and dogs that you have in your house. Body language, even though we call it language, and every language has a grammar system actually, but body language does not have grammar system. It must be interpreted broadly. It is not a language like sign language, you know. Sign language is a proper language having its own sets of grammar. It is simply termed language due to the popular culture. You know, it has been suggested that body language may account for 60 to 65% of all communication. So see how important it is. So they form a part of our daily communication, right? And they take a major part in communication system. That means words, either written or spoken, they account only hardly, you can say, 25 or 30% of the communication system. Look at this. So these are the different facial expressions expressing happiness, confusion, sadness, surprise, anger, excitement. And these expressions are universal all over the world. Other body language might vary. In different cultures, it will have different meaning or connotation. But facial expressions are same throughout the world. What is the importance of positive body language? It is very important in this highly competitive world. The corporate sector especially values good body language a lot, and any sign of bad body language can break deals, even leading to loss of network for people. There is a saying that actions speak louder than words. I'm very sure that you have already heard this, that we need to be very careful in our body language because our actions, whatever we do, it speaks louder or it conveys more meaning about ourselves more than the words that we speak. The first positive body language that we are discussing comes assertive behavior. A positive body language helps the person to be more assertive. So if you have a very assertive behavior, it will help you in putting forward your opinion more easily than the others. And of course, positive body language is always appreciated by others. And if you have a positive body language, you are likely to get more attention and favor in any discussion. Success in workplace depends much on your positive body language. It will help to foster team spirit. It will boost the morale of the employees. Then delegation of responsibilities become easier. And it also helps in conveying respect for colleagues and resolving conflicts in the organization. So during corporate meetings, if you have a positive body language, you can very nicely display interest, reception, and this will help a lot. What will be your positive body language? A gentle smile, open palms, leaning forward to show your interest, and maintaining eye contact. So this will go a long way in establishing a good rapport with another person in the meeting. So what are the benefits of positive body language? It will help you to build as well as maintain a healthy relationship with the other party in a business meeting.